that's why many applications are also rejected, and they can set you in that course. So there's a positive point, very key point you need to understand. अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करने जा रहे हैं कि हम स्टडी प्लान कैसे बनाएंगे फॉर चाइनीज़ स्कॉलरशिप यानी CSC स्कॉलरशिप के लिए। तो उसके लिए हम बात करेंगे, देखते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं। फॉर हाउ यू कैन राइट योर स्टडी प्लान फॉर द चाइनीज़ गवर्नमेंट स्कॉलरशिप फॉर CSC बेसिकली। इन दिस वीडियो विल सी दैट will follow a structure, a format used from a Chinese scholarship winner applicant who has been already studying in Chinese university on the CSC scholarship. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, if we see that in overall study plan, you have to start with your introduction, like background introduction. In that background introduction, you'll have to tell about yourself, about your education, what you have done, not only about your last bachelor's degree or master's degree for whatever you are applying. You'll also have to tell about your early educations like matriculation, intermediate, and etc. So also you'll have to show up their grades as well. Secondly, you also have to tell that which subjects you chose in your most last degree. Like for example, if you are going to apply for the masters, so in bachelor's, which subject was your major? So you'll have to add this in it. Later, you can also add if you have done some kind of very profound research work or any research experiment or job related to your field, then you can also add in only 1 or 2 lines. That's enough. Second, what you need to do is to tell why are you going to apply to this university, or for example this China. So for that, you'll have to tell that the role of China in different educational and practical life or even research area. So in this, when you'll be telling about the role of China, and you'll also have to mention those areas related to your field, that in this field the China have done this. So that's why this align to my work or my experience or my research. So that's why I'm gonna apply in this, and this is how it aligns with my research area. Next heading you can give to your study plan is about you, your personality. Why? Because it's very important to tell the university or the professor or whatever you are submitting. Of course, study plan have to be submitted on the application portal, so you'll have to tell them about yourself as well, so they are eager to learn about you, eager to know you. So for that, you'll have to tell about you, use some special examples, like how you can elaborate yourself easily, how will you manage or fix yourself with China and its culture and its tradition, with the people of China and everything. Next thing, the heading comes here is study plan in China. In this, you'll have to tell that how you will start, in which fields of courses you applied or you are going to apply in this university. You'll have to make a list or give it a number, like if for example if you are applying in food science, so you'll have to tell that in this College of Food Science and Technology there are multiple courses offered in nutrition, in quality, in engineering or anything else. So you'll have to enlist those courses which are being offered in the university or in that college, so that the other university must know that you have some flexibility in your study plan, not very tightly focused on a specific kind of subject or course. so they can also easily manage your position in any one of the relatable courses. This is a very important point. And then after you enlist those courses, you will have to tell them that specifically you are going to apply in this specific course, others are also enlisted, so you will have to be making again your research area or your background with the current subject or the course you are applying. For example, you are applying in just food nutrition, so you'll have to tell them that I am applying in this food nutrition because you have done this in your background or in bachelor's, in your research area or in your field experience, that's why you align your research with this course. In this way, they will get to know that, oh, of course you have this expertise in your research area already, so this will be more better option for you. So sometimes it's not about that we apply only in this area and you just know that this point, that when we apply in any one of the specific area, any one of the specific course, and we all have to get the admission in that course, that's why many applications are also rejected. So if when you give the flexibility and options, so there may be having a chance that if there is no seat or position in that course, so they may have make another alternative course and they can set you in that course. So there's a positive point, very key point you need to understand. Overall, after this, you'll have to tell, after aligning your research area and everything, you'll have to tell that about your postgraduate plan. So the next and the last heading of your study plan should be the postgraduate study plan. In this, you can tell whatever you have planned after your graduation. You can tell them what skills or what expertise you are expecting to learn from this course in the masters, for example, and then what are you going to do with those expertise in the future after doing your degree. You can say that you are going to have some research, you're in different institutions, or you are going to continue your studies for the doctoral studies, and you're going to have such research again in the next level. And also you can tell according to what like you are going to serve country, you are going to serve the community in any field. So it's totally up to you, but you will have to be very concise. You will have to tell to the point things and very sincerely and very clearly, that they get to know and understand you very easily. So for that, this is up, and I'm also having the short template. So I will try, if you want, you can just comment below and I will give it to you. So for more information, if you have any questions regarding CSC scholarship, so don't be late. The scholarships are already open in most of the universities, almost all the universities in China, and you just have to apply. And best of luck for your future. Thank you.